This is Asteroid Mining Base OSX-13, 3D printable asteroid terrain. Getting through the asteroid field that surrounds the mining base was half the battle. Surviving what lurks in the winding mine tunnels, that's the other half. The mining base was once a hive of activity with a thump and whir of miners digging out valuable ores. Now it is a haunt for pirates, the machinery quiet and disused. The worms have reclaimed the tunnels and danger lurks around every corner. Whether you visited the base in its heyday, chanced upon it searching for a quick score, or just wanted somewhere to lay low, Asteroid Mining Base OSX-13 is full of adventure. I always get carried away designing for Kickstarters. There's so much I want to fit in, and this was no different. There are 6 themed sets. The first is the asteroid field. Asteroids, equipment and mines float above a starry base. The second is a mine surface, so you can have encounters on a flat asteroid. The third is the worm mine. Windy tunnels and worms compete with excavators and mining equipment. The fourth is the square mine, with loads of detailed rock walls for you to dress up from anything from an open mine through to a pirate base. And both of those are covered in the last 2 sets. First up, the mining equipment. Whether you want a small miner to put in a corner or a feature statement piece like the bucket excavator, there's a huge range available. And finally, the pirate base. They'll either lock you up or buy you a drink. Nestled amongst the asteroid field is the free gift. Check out the Kickstarter page to see how to claim yours. It's designed with multicolour in mind, with 3MF files included. Whether you're after windy tunnels to play hide and seek in, or you want to make a credit or two selling a rare ore, Asteroid Base OSX-13 will have what you need. There's an early bird offer, so make sure you back in the first 48 hours. Back now to add asteroids to your tabletop.